Send it up. Throwing some dirt pods all over the place. And just coming over to say hi. Let them know you're there. Blowing the Traxxas banners off the K-Rail. Rick always working the audience. First hit. There's the cars and trying to lock it up. Well, once again on that back straightaway. Rick on in once again off the center jump. Just a tune for his freestyle run. Obsession. Hit number 2. There goes Ben one more times with another huge wheel stand. There's your 360. Rick's watching everybody. All right, we're gonna need your help, folks. You guys get loud and cheer on your favorite drivers. And we'll see who takes this wheelie stand competition. We'll get our wheelie stand winner over there and have a talk with Rick Long. Let them hear you, folks. It's freestyle time. Gotta love that Evel Knievel trick. 3 of them coming out. Warm up the bikes a little bit. So 3 of the best coming out. Get Chris Dennis and the boys fired up. Darren Carnett, you guys get loud. He's been known to go over backwards, backflips coming your way tonight. 35 feet up in the sky, clearing a 65-foot gap. As they'll get those bikes warmed up and ready to go big. Here we go. Chris Dennison, everybody, the California rider. And that's just the warm-up jump. On 4-stroke, JJ Roman's getting some big air. They'll pull it back into that pit and come up for the entry. It's everyone Dennison. All kinds of airtime. They'll get about 5 jumps in a piece. And we'll get them on that top ramp and have a word with them. These 3 have been putting on an incredible show. Connie, asking for some love. Let them hear you, folks. JJ Romans. And there's Dennison, the California rider, the big red Honda. Going big once again. Feet up on the bars, Connie. The 4-stroke, JJ Romans. Looking for some love over there on the far side. On a loud Saturday night audience here at the OC Fest, Superman. With the one-hand seat grab. Chris Dennison, everybody, let them hear ya. Another big jump on a 4-stroke of Romans. Connie gonna go back into the pit, set up for his next job. Let them know you're here. It's Dennison. Saying hello to the fans in the stands. As you notice, as they come off that 65-foot gap, about 35, 40 feet up, they don't have a lot of time to shut those things down. As Connie goes big once again.